Every cell in your body needs energy to survive. Whether you're thinking, walking, sleeping, or even reading this right now, your cells are constantly using a simple sugar called glucose as their main source of fuel. But too much glucose in the blood can damage your organs, while too little can become life-threatening. So how does your body keep blood sugar at just the right level? The answer lies in a remarkable system involving the pancreas, insulin, and the liver. So how does blood sugar actually work? Blood sugar, also known as blood glucose, is the amount of glucose circulating in your bloodstream. Glucose mainly comes from the carbohydrates you eat, such as bread, rice, fruits, pasta, and potatoes. As food is digested, glucose is absorbed through the small intestine and enters the bloodstream. After a meal, blood sugar levels naturally begin to rise. The body detects this increase, and the pancreas releases a hormone called insulin. Insulin acts like a key. It unlocks the body's cells, allowing glucose to move from the bloodstream into the cells, where it is used to produce energy. This helps lower blood sugar back to a healthy range. But what happens when you haven't eaten for several hours? As blood sugar begins to fall, the pancreas releases another hormone called glucagon. Glucagon signals the liver to break down its stored form of glucose, called glycogen, and release glucose back into the bloodstream. This prevents blood sugar from dropping too low and ensures that important organs, especially the brain, continue receiving a steady supply of energy. This balance between insulin lowering blood sugar and glucagon raising blood sugar keeps glucose levels stable throughout the day. It is one of the body's most carefully controlled systems. When this system stops working properly, blood sugar can become too high or too low. Persistently high blood sugar may lead to diabetes, while very low blood sugar, known as hypoglycemia, can cause dizziness, confusion, fainting, and, in severe cases, loss of consciousness. The understanding of blood sugar regulation has improved greatly as scientists discovered the role of insulin, glucagon, and the pancreas in controlling glucose metabolism. These discoveries transformed the treatment of diabetes and many other metabolic disorders. Keeping blood sugar healthy depends on a balanced diet, regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, and proper medical care for people with diabetes. Regular monitoring can help detect problems before they lead to serious complications. Today, artificial intelligence is making blood sugar management more precise than ever. Continuous glucose monitors, CGMs, measure glucose levels every few minutes throughout the day. AI analyzes this continuous stream of data to identify trends, predict when blood sugar may become too high or too low, and alert users before dangerous changes occur. Some advanced insulin pumps even work with AI to automatically adjust insulin delivery based on real-time glucose readings, creating what is often called an artificial pancreas. Blood sugar is the body's primary source of energy, and keeping it within a healthy range is essential for every organ to function properly. Understanding how glucose is regulated helps us appreciate the importance of healthy lifestyle choices and the remarkable technologies that are improving diabetes care. But what happens when the body can no longer produce enough insulin or use it effectively? In our next video, we'll explore diabetes explained and discover why blood sugar control becomes so difficult for millions of people around the world.